Your shower drain is slow. You reach under the sink. You pull out a bottle with a warning label that tells you not to let it touch your skin, not to breathe the fumes, and to flush with water for 15 minutes if it contacts your eyes. You paid $9 for it. You pour it down the drain. It works. For about 3 weeks. Then the drain is slow again. There are 2 things in your kitchen right now that unblock any drain in your house permanently, cost 30 cents per treatment, produce no toxic fumes, require no warning label, and work better on organic blockages than any chemical drain cleaner on the market. Baking soda and vinegar. You already have both. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will throw away every bottle of commercial drain cleaner you own and never buy another one. Here is what the commercial drain cleaner industry does not tell you. Most drain blockages are organic. Hair, soap scum, grease, food particles, and the bacterial biofilm that binds them together into a solid mass. Commercial drain cleaners work by using a highly alkaline or highly acidic compound to dissolve that organic material chemically. Sodium hydroxide, lye, is the active ingredient in most commercial drain cleaners, including Drano and Liquid Plumber. It works by saponifying grease, converting it into a water-soluble soap, and by denaturing protein, breaking down the structural bonds in hair and organic tissue. It is effective. It is also corrosive to skin, toxic to breathe, damaging to older pipes over repeated use, and toxic to aquatic organisms when it reaches the water supply. The commercial drain cleaner market generates over $2 billion annually. A combination of baking soda and vinegar does the same job through a different mechanism that is safer, cheaper, and equally effective on organic blockages. Here is the chemistry in 4 sentences. Baking soda is alkaline. Vinegar is acidic. When they meet, they react violently, producing carbon dioxide gas, water, and sodium acetate. The mechanical action of the fizzing reaction physically dislodges the blockage from pipe walls, while the chemical compounds break down the organic material holding it together. Think of it like this. Drain cleaner dissolves the blockage chemically from outside in. Baking soda and vinegar explode through it mechanically while dissolving it simultaneously. The fizzing action reaches into gaps and around corners that a static chemical pour cannot penetrate. Here is exactly how to do it. First, remove any standing water from the sink or shower tray if possible. The reaction needs to happen at the blockage, not in a pool of water above it. Pour half a cup of baking soda directly down the drain. Follow immediately with half a cup of white vinegar. The reaction will begin instantly. You will hear and see fizzing. Cover the drain immediately with a plug or a cloth. This is critical. Covering the drain forces the fizzing reaction downward into the pipe rather than allowing it to escape back up. Leave covered for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, flush with the hottest water your tap produces for 2 full minutes. The hot water melts any remaining grease that the reaction has loosened from pipe walls and flushes the entire blockage through. For severe blockages, repeat twice in the same session. For maintenance, run this treatment monthly to prevent buildup before it becomes a blockage. Total cost per treatment, approximately 30 cents. A bottle of Drano costs $9 and treats 3 to 4 blockages. Your baking soda and vinegar treats unlimited blockages for the same combined cost of under $5 per year. Now here is the upgrade that makes this permanent. The reason drains block repeatedly is not the blockage itself. It is the bacterial biofilm that coats the inside of the pipe and acts as a trap for hair, grease, and soap particles. Once the biofilm establishes, every hair that goes down the drain has something to stick to. Remove the biofilm and hair passes through freely. Here is how to remove it. After your monthly baking soda and vinegar treatment, pour half a cup of undiluted white vinegar down the drain and leave it overnight without flushing. The acetic acid in the vinegar kills the biofilm bacteria and dissolves the polysaccharide matrix that holds the biofilm to the pipe wall. Do this monthly, and the biofilm never reestablishes. No biofilm means no accumulation point for hair and grease. No accumulation point means no blockage. A drain that has been on monthly baking soda, vinegar, and overnight vinegar treatment for 6 months will not block again. Not in a year. Not in 5 years. Now here's the myth I want to kill. Baking soda and vinegar cancel each other out and do nothing useful. You have probably read this from a chemistry teacher somewhere online. Here is what that argument leaves out. Yes, baking soda and vinegar neutralize each other chemically in their final state. The sodium acetate and water that remain after the reaction are chemically neutral. But the reaction itself, the violent fizzing that happens in the 2 to 3 minutes before equilibrium is reached, is the mechanism that does the work. The CO2 gas produced in those 2 minutes creates physical pressure inside the pipe. That pressure dislodges the blockage. The chemistry teacher who says they cancel each other out is correct about the final state. They are ignoring the 20,000 small explosions of CO2 that happen on the way to that final state. Those explosions are the drain cleaner. The next time your drain runs slow, stop before you reach for the $9 bottle with the warning label. You have the solution in your kitchen. It costs 30 cents. It produces no fumes. It is safe for your pipes, safe for your family, and safe for the water supply. And used monthly, it prevents blockages permanently, so you never need to treat them at all. If you are the kind of person who believes that a $2 billion industry profits from selling you a toxic solution to a problem that 30 cents of kitchen ingredients already solves, you already know what to do next. You mix the solution this weekend. Baking soda, vinegar, 30 cents. And you stop buying something with a warning label for a problem that 2 things from your kitchen solve better. Now I want to ask you something specific, and I want you to actually answer in the comments. Which drain in your house blocks most often? Kitchen sink, shower, or bathroom basin? Tell me which one. I read every single comment. Take it and use it. See you next time. Next video, I am going to show you the one mineral your tap water is missing that your grandmother got from her well water for free, and that the commercial supplement industry sells back to you for $20 a bottle. It affects your sleep, your energy, your muscle function, and your stress response. And you are probably deficient in it right now without knowing it. See you then.